Welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about encapsulation. What is encapsulation? Encapsulation is how you combine the properties and method within some single unit, which is usually a class. So here we have a private balance, which is basically the balance of your account. But the point here, it's private. You will not be accessible to this property without this class, without the internal use of this class. So how can you access this balance? You can access using this method, which is protected. So this is the access modifier that's being used in order to allow accessing that balance itself. Maybe you want to have some kind of authorization, maybe you're having some kind of conditional to make sure that you're accessing the right balance. So you're encapsulating this kind of logic within the single unit of this method, and this method is encapsulated within the class itself, similar to this kind of property which is encapsulated in this bank. What we're talking about here is data hiding. We're hiding the data, which is the balance, and we're adjusting the access modifier, which is private, protected, or public, in order to make sure that the encapsulated logic or property or method is accessible by the right users. Right, so this is basically what is data hiding. Now we're gonna be talking more into depth about encapsulation. So encapsulation is the internal couple of lines that's being encapsulated into a single unit, which is in our method. So this is the method of deposit. This is the logic that's happening within this deposit. So the point here, encapsulating this sort of logic into this method, and we're encapsulating this logic into that method as well, and that method is encapsulated in the bank account class. So basically this is the idea of encapsulation. You're encapsulating some kind of logic and properties into a class or a single unit basically.